I wonder if the Space Needle in Seattle represents a giant vaccine needle. They built a giant monument to get you to appreciate the concept of a needle as subliminal programming, because the start of the coronavirus pandemic script is in Seattle. That's the home city of Bill Gates, the vaccine leader. The Space Needle construction began on April 17, 1961, the 107th day of the year, with 82 date numerology, wherein Gematria Seattle equates to 107 and 82, and COVID equates to 82. It was on a date leaving 258 days in the year, matching the name William Henry Gates. Am I wrong to write out COVID-19 virus as words and show that in such a case it equates to 258 as well? The Space Needle became the icon of Seattle, with emphasis on needle, where now the powers that shouldn't be want to make sure you're being jabbed with needles every month of your life over a pandemic that was scripted to start in a city that has a landmark with needle in its name. The Space Needle was opened April 21st, 1962, where the date can be written as 21/4, kind of like how the term COVID vaccine equates to 214. It was opened on a date with 106 numerology for the World Fair, which equates to 106. Let us not forget the 56 and the role that number played in 2020. It was the 111th day of the year with 87 and 33 numerology, where Bill Gates equals 87 and 33, while his entire name, William Henry Gates III, equals 111, just like the word vaccination equals 111. And Bill Gates is an actor on a world stage whom we're supposed to perceive as a genius computer guy. And he was raised to play this role, raised by the cabal, ever since he was a baby. Because Bill Gates was still a small boy when the Space Needle was built. Which means, like for many members of the cabal, his life was scripted from birth to be this actor, whom we're supposed to perceive as a genius computer guy. Computers communicate in a code of ones and zeros, so how appropriate that in the language of Gematria the words computer and internet should sum to 111, and Google sums to 101. Maybe I'm wrong to use the term vaccination syringe, but both vaccination syringe and Space Needle equal 208, and vaccination syringe also equals 107, like Seattle, and remember the construction of the Space Needle began on the 107th day of the year. It's an apt name, as the Space Needle even equals 122, like the meridian on which it sits. Realize that Bill Gates has his Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation headquarters in Seattle, and that's where the virus outbreak supposedly started. The Space Needle opened 57 years before the coronavirus pandemic, matching the words vaccine and Bill Gates. Of course, nanotechnology, which equals 57, would be just the thing to put into a vaccine, thus fusing together man and machine to create a mind-controlled cyborg. Fusing man and machine is referred to as singularity, and notice the words coronavirus and singularity have all four identical gematria values. Who wants to ride a bus that has toilets for seats, where each seat is a toilet or a bench of toilet seats, and all the people on this bus are occupying these toilet seats and taking a shit together with no privacy while the bus rides down city streets?